Hey guys, Papa D here, 15 yards to a 10-inch red plate, 2-shot drills with a Canic Rival S. Let's run some rounds. .62. .45. 2.59. 2.11. I found in my videos, been watching myself, my second shots have been a lot slower, so I take and concentrate on a drill like this in order to try to get my second shot. I'm still at half a second on my second shot. I need to get that down to 0.20, 0.25 at least, but I'm still pleased with that. At 15 yards, I can take and make improvements. I'll take and just do a rinse and repeat off the camera, continue running mags through this gun. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This is Papa D. I'll see you down the road on the next video.